settings.
Jeez.
Switch to video camera.
It's a big one there, just come up.
I'm going to do it outside. I'll see it from here. Just pop it out for a minute.
Stuff here from the road.